Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know some of you are gonna be kind of upset at me. As you guys can see, I kind of did the unthinkable. I dunked out the precious rare BOS 1982 Cadillac Fleetwood. Now, before you guys trip out on me, let me just say that it's not as bad as it seems, and I actually got some good news just in case one of you guys is contemplating modifying this model yourself. It actually is not hard to do. But anyway, guys, as you guys can see, I went ahead and went into surgery and I took this whole item apart. Lo and behold, the wheel assembly is quite simple. Pretty much you got these screws that hold that base, and then the wheel and the axles are just pretty much floating. Now, of course, you know, even though I'm gonna change these stock wheels, they're still pretty nice, and I hope you guys can see that the quality of them. You know, it's not like I dislike them. I just want you guys to keep in mind that I am from Miami, Florida, and yeah, it's hard not to look at this car and not see it as a dunk, because that's pretty much all I've been around all my whole life. So but anyway, guys, pretty much at first I just started kind of like just positioning the car in a way, and I started just trying different rims. I ended up picking these because they just look the more dunk-ish to me. At this point here, guys, I was just pretty much evaluating how I was gonna have to approach this project of turning this Cadillac into a dunk. So I kind of just set it up this way to kind of get an idea, and then also too because I wanted to get a couple spins at the wheels. I wanted to see how the spinners would look. Then I began to still kind of try the whole, you know, lower, you know, chases with the rims in place before I did any major cutting or anything to, you know, the fender area or the base of the model, basically, because the wheels were actually pretty big. And yes, I could have went smaller, but I mean, the whole point of this is to have this thing looking lifted and dunked out. How I see them here, like pretty much driving around all the time. Like I said, if you ever been to Miami, Florida, the Dade County area, you definitely know what I'm talking about when it comes to these dunks. I mean, you see them. You don't see every car's not a dunk, obviously, but you're gonna see them from time to time. And I personally don't have this car in real life, but I gotta tell you though, you know, if I was just banking in money and I had money just to, you know, kind of like do project cars like this would be something that I would definitely love to own in real life, period. You know, I was even considering, like you guys, trying to find another one of these, because again, they're so rare now, especially this color, but just for the purpose of just even basically just to at least keep one just stock how I had it before I did these changes. And then to kind of go even more ham on this one, it's actually thinking about just gold plating, for example, the bumper or the grill, and just basically gold plating the whole car. I just got it parked right next to a couple Escalades. Just pretty much just seeing how high it's sitting and just the sheer size of the wheels, which I believe in relative diecast 1/18 scale, this rims will be an equivalent to 28-inch rims. And yeah, so I just think these rims are the perfect rims for this caddy. So yeah, guys, at this point I already have made my changes, and I pretty much had the car already looking how I wanted to. And yeah, guys, like I said, I was quite pleased with just the whole stance, the whole look of it. It was hard to go back to stock after seeing it like this, you know, I must say. And just the way that the grill now matches the rims. And like I said, if I decide to, right now highly considering completely gold plating that grill along with the linings of the lights, anything that's chrome that you see. basically gold plating that, including the rim. So I don't know, maybe stay tuned for that. It's something that I'm considering at the moment. Alright guys, so now we got the car from the side, and you know, I pretty much went ahead and now have it to the point where like you no longer see the base so loose or anything like that. Now it's just looking clean and pretty much all dunked out, as it were. And I was even thinking, damn, you know, is this even a good idea what I'm doing here to this rare model? But you know, after seeing how it came out and how it even looks on video, I think it's just off the hook. It's literally making me consider buying more of these. I was considering buying the blue one already, just because, you know, the thing is, I usually try to go for like the rarest, most preferred one first, and then if I could find the second one of maybe the, you know how one of them will sell out of a really hot, you know, model, and then all of a sudden the one that maybe was the second preferred color will be the next one up, that will be like the one that starts selling out next. Well, it's almost like that's how I kind of approach. I'll start with the rare, with what I feel on a hunch is the rarest color one. Anyway guys, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like I said, I mean, we already been seeing the Cadillac stock, so I did wanted to see it super dunked out, lifted with some nice big rims on it and some low pros, and might as well have spinners on them too. Let me know in the comments section, do you think this was a bad idea? Did you prefer how it was stock, you know, or do you think it looks hella crazy and even better now? Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Hope you guys are having an awesome day out there. And with that one, I'm out of y'all. Peace.